Twin Inverter Plus equipped with 4 temperature sensors sense the temperature every 20 milliseconds and set precise temperature accordingly. Equipped with 4 temperature sensors, high computing power chip intelligently and quickly matches the ambient temperature with accurate temperature control. Equipped with efficient second-generation FD inverter compressor, the sensor accurately senses temperature change by 0.1 degree and keep the inside temperature more constant. Refrigerator and freezer, twin fan technology. The freezing and cooling depth faster due to twin fan technology. Twin inverter technology automatically adjusts the speed. It consumes 1 unit 1 day only, 32% more energy saving. Higher 538 series refrigerators. Twin inverter and twin fan leading in technology. Twin Inverter Plus always keeps original taste so you can enjoy fresh and healthy life.